Hi guys, Chris from TotallyEV, and today we're at Hampton Court Palace at the Concours of Elegance. Now the Concours of Elegance is a showcase of classic and vintage cars. You might hear some guzzling in the background. But over here we've got the Lotus Evija. This is an all-electric hypercar that boasts around 2,000 horsepower. Now the Lotus over here has 4 electric motors, one on each wheel, each of them delivering, well, you might have guessed it, 500 horsepower each. Now as a combination, it's around 1,700 Newton meters of torque, which is insane if you put your foot down on the accelerator. 0 to 60 time hasn't actually been tested, but it's quoted at around sub 2 seconds. What's quite interesting, 0 to 180 miles an hour, or around that figure, is sub 9 seconds. Think about if you're going to be driving on the motorway, putting your foot down. Now this is the beauty of it, is that this car is actually a production car. Unlike other cars out there which are concept cars, this is actually a production unit. There are 130 examples and each one will set you around £2.2 million. And that is, should I state, without the options added on top. Now what should you expect from the really nice looking all-electric hypercar? Well, there's a 69 kilowatt hour battery which delivers around 240 miles of range, Type CSS and Type 2 ports at the rear to give you quick charging, 18 minutes from 0 to about full. And as you might see now, that the doors hinging open as well. Now that is a little bit slow, but that is to be expected because actually this is the kind of showcase of a car. Normally this will open a lot faster. It's because they've put hydraulics on the hinges, and therefore it allows it to open up and kind of showcase it to customers. Other than that, what you can see pretty much behind me is what the production unit will look like. I've been told that the logo of Lotus, well, Lotus's logo badge will appear on the wheels as well, but apart from that, that's pretty much it. Now another thing you should know as well is at the back there is a spoiler. The spoiler opens up pretty much like you expect in Formula 1 in DRS. On the side of the cars there are small little cameras which pop out. Those are the rear view cameras, kind of the mirrors that you might expect on normal average cars. Now I've been told that in certain countries they might actually have to design a way of having normal mirrors, but at least in the UK over here we have got these pop-out cameras, and again these will come in when you're on a racetrack or indeed going to be going at high speed, and go out when you're on normal roads, and therefore not going to have to deficit from the drag coefficient that those small little cameras entail. Now to conclude, deliveries are expected at around mid-2021 for those customers. Apparently there's a few production units still available, but the 2021 units have been completely sold out. Now if you'd like any more information, make sure you do check it out on our website on TotallyEV. It'll be down in the description below. If you do like this type of video and of course the first look of the Lotus, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to see more, and favorite and share. Alright, I've been Chris from TotallyEV. Take care and bye-bye.